Okay, so let's see what Akko-Chan has to say to us about
何握りやしょう。
ほな、1万くらいでお任せするわ。あと、今日のええとこお作りにしてくれ。
あ、ウニとイクラは絶対入れてな。
いいよ。
五郎さん飲まへんの？
一応仕事中やからな。今はやめとこう。それよりアッコちゃんの話聞かせてくれや。大学生にしたら随分慣れとるようやけど、この間の店よう来るんか？
まあね、最近は割と毎日。
毎日
once a day. Holy shit.
なんや、そないノルマ厳しいんか？
ノルマ？そんなんあるはずないやん。いつでも好きな時にやれるのがこのバイトのええとこやの。
いやいや、バイトっちゅうことは、つまり誰かから依頼されてやっとるわけやろ？その元締めが例の牧村はんやろ。聞いた話やと、女子大生にテレクラで男捕まえさせて、その稼ぎをかっさらっとるらしいやないか。
は？誠さんはそんな人とちゃうし。うちらほとんど男の人にご飯とかおごってもらうだけやし。誠さんも稼ぎよこせなんて言わへんよ。
あ？ちゅうことは、あっこちゃん、売りとかしてへんの？
当たり前やん。ひょっとして五郎さん、ほんまは取材なんて嘘で初めからいやらしいことが目当てだったとか？せやったら悪いけど、なんぼおごってもろてもホテルとかついていかんで。
ああ、ちゃうって、そういうつもりとちゃうねん。ただ、俺はそういう噂を耳にしたもんやったから。
ほんまに？まあそれが賢明やね。うちに何かあったらうちで済まへんから。
あ？それは一体どういう？
はい、小肌。
Wait, what's Kohara?
おいしそう。ほな、いただきます。
Okay, don't get ahead of yourself, Garo. She'll be more eager to talk once she's gorged on Stoutenbody's finest. You paid 20,000, holy fuck. 20,000, holy moly.
ごちそうさま。
おう、ほな行こうか。
What the fuck? A lot of money, pretty sure.
さて、腹ごしらえは済んだな。そしたらさっきの話の続きを。
あ、うちあそこ行きたい。
今度はどこや？
ゲーセン。
ゲーセンってゲームセンターのことか。不良のたまり場やないか。ま、家で女の行きそうな場所ではあるが。
最近のゲーセンはちゃうねん。可愛いぬいぐるみとかあんの。
ゲームセンターにぬいぐるみ？どういうこっちゃ？
行ったらわかるわ。ほら、はよ行こう。
しゃあ、ほなゲームセンターに行くか。
ほな行こうか。
I love like how sometimes you get the PlayStation you can't record. Oh, it's just yeah. Because I'm pretty sure that's from the PlayStation. Because some places you can't record. Oh, no, I'm talking like 20k in real life. Like 20,000 yen would still be like a lot of money, like a few $100.
あ、ほら、あれや。
Like not just in game, you know. Like in game is nothing.
UFO キャッチャー。
I guess just sushi in general is just more expensive in Japan.
このボタンで中のクレーンを操作してな、ぬいぐるみを穴まで運んだらもらえるねん。
こんなんが1回100円やと？あ、ほらし。どうせそう簡単には取れへんようになっとるんやろ。普通に店で買うた方がええんちゃうか？
何言うてんのや。よそで売ってないからここで取らなあかんのやない。お金で何でも買える思ったら大間違いやで。っていうか、お金はうちが払うから五郎さん代わりにやってや。うちこういうの苦手やねん。
あ？
Huh?
なんで俺が？
誠さんのこと聞きたいんとちゃうの？
しゃあないな。 ほな、一応やったるやないか。
Okay, so I have to actually play this game. Oh shit. Okay. Yep. Get money in. Okay, so move the claw with A. Oh no! I didn't mean to do that. No. That's bad. No. Dang it. Christ. Okay, so try again. Move the claw left. Oh, so you only get one. Okay, I see how it works. Okay. So you only get. I guess I need to move it. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? It got stuck in the thingy. Okay, that's actually some nice physics. Okay, so I need to have a look. Okay. So I need to move. Okay, yep. So there, and then there. Okay, that should be fine, right? Come on, get him! Get him! Get him! No! Shit! No, it's not. Okay, sorry. Okay, third one. Okay, let's go get this one here, I guess. Okay, and then we go. Okay, that should be okay, I think. Oh no! No! Get him! Get him! Oh! Get him, boys! Woo! Easy clap, boys! That's perfection.
Hora, 取れたで。これが欲しかったんやろ。
めっちゃ嬉しい。五郎さん、ありがとう。
ま、ざっとこんなもんや。あ、それで牧村はんのことなんやけど。
こないなところで立ち話すんの？どこか落ち着いて話せるとこがええわ。
ま、
Yeah, no, I've seen so many games already. They're pretty fun. I wanna see. Oh, it's got.
ほな、次はディスコや。
What?
ディスコ？あんだけ食った後でよう踊る気になるな。
実はさっき電話で VIP ルーム予約してん。うちな、一度でええからVIP ルームに入ってみたい。
Like, I feel like we're gonna get no information from this lady. We got no, like,
人の金を思って好き勝手して
nothing
る
from
わ。
her.
文句言わんの。連れてってくれたらそこで誠さんのこと話してあげるから。
ほんまか？まあ、そう言われたら断れんな。ほら。
The disco. The disco's in Shofukusho. I'm sure they got a dress code there, but hopefully this get up and look the parts
はよ
enough.
行こ
Okay, so we need to go. Where is it? All the way over there. Okay. I know it. Oh wait, what's that actually? What's that? That's a Kani Douraka. No idea what it is. Okay, actually, I'm gonna save quickly. Let's quickly save. Oh,
う。どうしたん？
what's up? I'm just saving, lady. Gotta get that.
急がんといて。
Okay, so
ちょっと。
wait. Oh, there's a fight here. Oh shit, it's a fight. Oh no, it's a fight, boys. Oh yeah, this is the guy I fought, and he fucking destroyed me, dude. No. Was it this guy? No. No, it was somebody else. Yeah, it was a different guy. Like, he actually clapped my cheek so hard. Like, he took all my money. No, yeah, it wasn't this guy. I have my eyes on the bridge for a while now. It don't matter who has doesn't here before. That don't mean you're on the place. If they're gonna fight, if they have to take up the whole bridge, I got a disco to get to. Oh, this guy. Yeah, Mr. Shakedown. But like the one for this character, the MC, was so strong. Holy shit! Because I actually, the one for what is his name again? Sorry, the first MC, Kiri. That Mr. Shakedown wasn't as bad, but the one for this guy here was so fucking powerful. Like, I was trying to dodge, but his fucking range was massive. It was just so, yeah, that's it. Yeah, like the Mr. Shakedown for Kiryu wasn't as bad as the one for this guy. Oh man, Komeki, what? You're still out hunting for a place we can go at it? No. Just out of for my afternoon constitutional. What? Taking in the city. You seem troubled. Well, yeah, I gotta get across the bridge, but those punks aren't doing a good job at blocking the way. If they wanna break each other's faces, that's fine by me. I just wish they'd hurry up with it. Biscuits, huh? Biscuits, huh? Knowing the rituals of their kind, I doubt things will take such a violent turn. Rituals? What? You know those guys? Yeah, Mr. Shakedown gets stronger over time, I think. Mr. Shakedown gets stronger every time you beat him. But he also carries more money. Yeah, no, he's, yeah, he basically took all my money. I was like, no, no my money, man. Judging from their attire, they're practitioners of the new breaking dance. The kids are so fascinated with these days. It is their custom to settle disputes by dancing to assert dominance. What are they? Some kind of horned up birds? How the hell do you fight with dancing? Just watch. There, look. They began. Watch their performances closely. Oh, isn't that a capoeira? Yeah, capoeira. Yeah, that's the Brazilian one. Holy shit. Oh, wait. It's gonna be like a new fighting style? Oh, let's go, dude. Holy. Mr. Shakedown seems hard when you're first learning the game, but over time you get the better of the game, he becomes easy peasy. Yeah, and like when I first fought him, like the one for Majima, yeah, basically like I was dodging him, but he did this like wind up move, and he basically just almost hit everything in a 360, like a 360 radius. And he like two-shot me, like he knocked me down and then kicked me, and that was it, dude. That's not a fighting style, that's dancing. I never seen the moves that sharp. Wonder if I could pull off some. Looks like my win. This bridge is, was, and forever remains property of a Reshi crew. Fine, keep it for now, but this ain't over. I'm gonna up my game and be back for blood. But I mean, I wanna know, can we use it as a fighting style though? Like, can we actually use it or not? Haha, since the boy in the red frock won, quite the sight. Huh? An intriguing way of establishing peaking order. Yeah, not bad. A street performance as the street performances go. Playing Koi, Majima. Yeah, I don't know. He just basically two-shotted me. And I was like, oh, okay. Okay, game. Like, he did like a 360 radius smash. He knocked me down and then he kicked me once and that was it, dude. That was me. I was like, oh, okay, game, thank you. Playing Koi, Majima? How do you mean? Watching the dams sparked something inside you, did it? Did it not? The look in your eyes was hungry, ravenous, even. And you got eyes like a damn hawk, yeah, alright. I still don't know if I could actually apply it though. Ah, that's marvelous news. Another thing to look forward to in our sparring. Sorry, but I'm kinda in the middle of something here. I get that you're raring to go with this. But it's gonna take me a while, yeah? Oh ho ho. Out on one of these dates with a young lass, are you? You're a formidable man in many areas, it seems. What? Nah, it ain't like that. Only teasing my friend, but I have found our venue, Ashitabana Park. The park, okay, I'll drop by when I get some time. And I shall be waiting. I will have my training to occupy me until then. Farewell. No idea, but in real life that would get you beat. Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm saying just in the game, I feel like that could be a fighting style. But yeah, in real life, yeah, there's no way you can actually win a fight. The crowd's clearing out here. Let's hustle to the disco before something else comes up. Let's get going. Come on, hurry up, lady. Jesus Christ. Okay, I got. I'm stuck. He has attacks that will, yeah. He just basically did like a massive attack, and I died, and I was like, oh, okay. Is it here or no? Here. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, let's have a look. What's here? Hello, sir. The VIP room entrance fee is 30,000. Here we go. Thank you. Sir, please enjoy your time at Maharaja. Maharaja? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check that booty.
なんかめっちゃセレブって感じするわ。
言うても2人で来たってしゃあないやろうが。こないなとこはもっと大人数でシャンパン開けてパーッと楽しむもんやで。
そんな友達おらんもん。
そうなんか。そら意外やな。
親と喧嘩して家出するような不良娘と仲良して止めてくれる子はめったにおらんし、おってもその子の親に追い返されるし。今のバイトで知り合うた子とかもおるけど、普段から連絡取って遊ぶような友達とちゃうし。せやからみんな仕方なく街で男捕まえてホテル泊まったりするけど、やっぱり危ないことの方が多いし。
牧村誠っちゅうやつはそないな行き場のない子が夜の街で妙なやつに悪さされんように仕切ってるっちゅうことか。せやけど中には危ない客もおるやろが。
せやからそないな人に会うた時はすぐに誠さんのポケベルに連絡入れんねん。そしたらすぐに飛んできてくれはるから。
ああ、そういえばさっきもそないなことを言うとったな。牧村っちゅんはそない喧嘩が強いんか。
強いなんてもんやないって。筋肉もりもりで背もめっちゃ高いし、大抵の人はカッコ見ただけで謝って逃げるわ。
ほう、そらごっついの。
あ、うち踊ってくる。
なんや、ビップルームはもうええんか。
ディスコに来たらやっぱり踊らな損やろ。うちお酒飲めへんし。
I feel like that's gonna be a boss fight.
そういうとこ
That guy, Makimura. Oh wait, do you have to go dance?
ちょっと話してえな。
やっと見つけたで。自分の出入りしそうなとこ片っ端から張ってたらいつか会えると思ってたわ。
This guy's script.
何？うちに一体何の用や？
とぼけても無駄やで。この前の礼させてもらおう思てな。
Oh, do we have to fight him off through like a dance?
ごっつい男呼んで俺をボコボコにしてくれたやんな。
あんたが悪いんやろ。うち見たんやで。あんたが飲み物に睡眠薬混ぜてたの。そんな男についていくはずないやん。
なんや、今日はこの前の男はおらんのか。おらんのやったら読んでもかまへんで。そん代わりこっちも人連れてきとるからな。
あんた最低やな。
なんとでも言えや。
Hmm.
待ちや。
Hopefully that'll be. Oh.
なんやわれ。自分もこの天のおもりなんか。
What's your profanity?
俺はそない女のことなんて全然知らへんで。ただお前らが邪魔やから言うとるんや。
なんやと？
ディスコ言うたら踊る場所やろ。女ナンパしたいんやったらダンスでええとこ見せたらええやないか。今から俺が手本見せてやるさかい。そこどいて。
Alright, here we go, boys.
アホ抜かすのも大概にしとけや、このボケ。そない踊りたいんやったら踊らしたるわ。ただし俺らのサンドバッグとしてな。
Perfect. I was hoping I get a chance to try out that breakdancing shit I saw on the bridge.
おう、表出ろや。
Wait, why couldn't you do it inside with the music? Okay, how do we dance? Like, wait, what?
い てもうたる。
What am I supposed to do here? Menacing man. Oh, we actually have to fight him. Switch to breaker style. You can switch. Okay. Pull off a freeze pose. Trigger a attack followed by a Y combo attack to finish with a freeze pose. On this pose, you can unleash an additional attack, a finishing blow called the double breaker. Oh. What the fuck? Use breaker style to finish the enemy with flare. What the fuck is this shit, dude? I'm a fucking Blade, boys. I'm an actual fucking Blade. Oh no! Ouch! No, let me alone, please. Holy shit, dude! Let it rip. Oh, dude, I'm getting my ass kicked, dude. Fucking Beyblade, dude. Oh god, this is actually funny as fuck. Oh, what the fuck? So once, I'm sure I can do it without practice. I know, dude. Like, the guy's like a fucking god at dancing and fighting.
ま、ざっとこんなもんや。せやけど、男を出しにして金稼ぐのをほどほどにしときや。今たまたま俺がおったけど、いつでも例の牧村藩を呼べるとは限らんやろ。
言うても誠さん、いつもすぐ近くにおるからな。読んだらほんますぐ来てくれんねんで。
そうなの？
When you come into club. Give me a time and a place. And those chicks are getting extra clapped. Majima is just a beast, hands down. Like, actually, I find Kiryu more intimidating. I don't know. Though I think Majima is much older though. He's much older. Like, Kiryu feels like a very young, strong fella. The hostess for the masters. You are the hostess with the masters. Makoto Makimura, I finally nailed you down. Yeah. So what are we gonna do now? Are we gonna go see him or what's up? Because he's gonna be he's gonna be a boss, isn't he? Has to be a boss. Both. ¿Por qué no los dos? Yay! One of both.
うちが言うたってことを内緒にしてな。五郎さんええ人やから特別に教えたけど、ほんまは誠さんのこと内緒なんやから。
わかってるわかってる。せやけど、ほんま
Slap away.
牧村藩のこと。
Oh god.
あの人おらんかったら、うちも今頃どうなってたかわからへんもん。
そら、さすがに褒めすぎとちゃうか。女に優しゅうするのも案外下心あってのことかもしれへんやないか。
そんなん絶対ないって。蒼天堀には誠さんに救われたって子めっちゃ多いんやから。男に騙されてひどい目合わされて自殺寸前の
Incoming massive man, Gachibas.
うちらにとってほんま神様みたいな人やね。花ええ人疑ったらバチ当たるわ。あ、でもただ一つだけ誠さんから頼まれてることがあんねん。
頼まれてること？
もしお客さんの中でコウモリの入れ墨をした男の人を見たらすぐに教えてくれって。
Of a bat.
コウモリの入れ墨をした男。誰なんやそれは。
うちも詳しくは知らへんけど、誠さんずっとその人を探してるみたい。
Of a bat.
誠さんからなんか頼まれることなんてそれくらいしかないから、バイトしてる子はみんな協力して探してるんやわ。
なるほどな。それで最初俺が入れ墨しとる言うたら食いついてきたんか。
そういうこと。
女を使って男を探してるか。
Yeah.
あかん。
Yeah, this guy sounds like a fucking like a dummy thick boy.
ニアとまだ遊ぶんか。
ほなうちはこれでバイバイ。
Bye bye.
たまにはうちに帰れや。
気が向いたらな。
If I feel like it. Dude. Well, I know where Makoto Kimura's at now, but this ain't adding up right. He sounds nothing like how Sagawa described him. How is the total scumbag exploiting women for cash turned into a saint going around saving them? And what's the deal with this bat tattoo? Doesn't matter, saint or scam, I'm killing Makimura. That's the job. It should be at Hogushi Kaikan in Shofukusho South. I'm gonna finish this tonight. Oh fuck. Do we actually have to go kill him? Okay. Never mind. Just use the martial arts of bench. What do you mean of bench? Like pick up like a bench and just like bam bam. Oh, you're the guy from Iwao Bridge who was dunking it out with the big dude with your breaking dance, whatever. Boom, son. I felt that. Huh? The hell are you exploding for? That battle was sick, yo. Those moves got me seriously bagging. I thought I'd seen the best Satan body had to offer, but your skills are to the curb. Oh, that's what this is about. Look, I just tried out some random stuff that came to mind. It's nothing. The hell you talking, man? It was like a bolt from the blue to me. A shout out from God. You gotta join my crew. We need you. Crew, yeah. A Rishi crew. If you joined up, we'll be kings of Saturn body. No question. Areshin's the crew name. And Areshi is my name. So yeah, welcome aboard, dog. You nuts? Why should I waste my time playing around with you and your friends? Go find somebody else. And I'm playing fool. Me and my crew, we're in this for real. I'm throwing down every day. We're gonna take over this town, then Japan, then the world. Feel me? Yeah, that's great. Yeah, cool story, man. There's a reason some people need QD insurance. Bikes get smashed over punks' faces all over the place. If you own a bike, you need QD insurance. Yeah, what? The QD insurance. Is that a thing in the game? Or? Yeah, that's great. Just how you plan on taking over the world by dancing on the side of the damn street. Hey, lots of folks come through Southern Body. Entertainment, bigwigs gotta be in the mix. Yeah, you get one of those, got attention, who even knows? I suppose it's not impossible. Got plenty of guys like that coming through my club every night. Well, I see where I see it. If I want the big boys to take notice, I gotta stand out more and anybody else in this town. Do that and getting my ass on the TV is totally possible. That's some plan, and I figure... Oh. Can you guys see them in the background? Like slowly walking in? Oh, never mind. And they're like, okay, we out. We out, boys. And I figure into that how? Exactly. It hit me while I was watching you battle, dog. We take your ill moves and pumped out the volume a bit. We'll be crushing every other crew in Osaka. Already got ideas for a whole bunch of sick new moves. You get those under your belt. Oh, so this guy's gonna be the one to teach me those moves. Oh, maybe yeah, this guy's gonna be like my master for this like style of fighting. It's a meme that developed with one of those streamers I watched play this. He kept using bikes as weapons. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, what is the name of that fighting style? Is it yeah, I think it's called Beast. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Beast. The one that you can use the like objects of the environment as weapons. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. You get those under your belt, you'll be unstoppable, son. Can't say I care much about dancing, but I'm pretty curious about where I can take this fighting style. And hey, you don't gotta give me an answer right now. Think on it. We practice in the alley behind Shofukusho West. You decide you're in, you come see us. Cool? Oh, right, sure. Shofukusho West, right. Maybe I'll drop by. Don't go getting your hopes up. Name's Majima, by the way. Majima-san, tight. We'll be waiting for ya. You gotta come by sometime. Okay, so this guy's gonna be my sensei of like Oh fuck, a fight here. Hooligans. Let it rip. I mean, it does have a bit of a yeah, a bit of a wind up at the start. And also at the end of the move, it's like a little cooldown. You can't really move. Team to win, baby. Easy, boys. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Okay, so wait, where is the save point here? Sorry. Also, I have to buy some stuff here first, right? Yeah, I need to buy some food because I'm kind of low on health. So what I might try and do here. Oh, okay. Let me fight these guys. Okay, let me do this fight here, and then we'll save and we do a fight in. Oh, well, these guys actually. Wait. What? What is that? Oh god, I actually got fucked up, brother. Yeah, that's a bit of a massive like recovery time. Fucking hell, dude! I got fucking. Nah. Oh, I'm getting actually demolished right now. This guy's actually quite. Oh. He actually tried to like fucking kick me in the middle of it. There you go. There you go. Christ. Okay, let's save here. Yep. Okay. Let's just save. Oh shit, sorry. Okay, save.